Hi guys, so I'm back. We are 11th of May, so 3.5 weeks on from when I first started the video on these, which are the Oka. As you can see, let's hold them up. They're sprouted quite a lot, so kind of feel like they're getting away from me, to be honest, because just been busy with other things. So now's the time. Need to get them planted properly. You treat them like a potato, and as much as you should be earthing them up. I'm using this old bell pot, as there's only 4 of them. What I'm doing, just going to put in enough compost that takes me about, well, just over 1/3 of the way up. So you only need, what's that, about 6 inches. And then take these out. See, they got a decent root system to them. Just going to space those around. They label out for the time being. Pop them in. So you know, I always put my fingers either side of the plant stems. That way you're holding them nice and secure. You've not got to break it. And then you can just gently cup the plants like so. Even on this Diddy one, still got decent root. Oh, so I got dust up my nose. Right, so we'll pop those in there. And then what I'll do is I'll just put some soil around the actual root balls, and then you can have a little look as to how I've set them out. You just lightly firm them in place. So that is them in situ, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to say treat them like a potato again. So essentially just cover over till you see the very top visible, as we want to get the stems covered, as it's going to be the stems that give you the more well, fruit. Do we say fruit? Vegetable? It's a vegetable, root vegetable production. So because you know that you've got the plants around, just lightly around. So we get those going. And because I've got 2 that are obviously longer than the others, they're still above the soil just, and the others be covered, but don't worry, they'll soon come through. And oh, slightly on the wonk. That is next stage. Just leave them like that, and then one final thing, give them a water. With this watering, I'll put some tomato food in it, or just general vegetable fertiliser. So we'll give those a drink now. They've not had a proper drink this whole time. So fill right to the rim, and that is enough. You can probably see all the bubbles coming out. So that is where the air is coming out of the compost, and that'll be replaced by the moisture, which is what you want. So just allow it to sink through, and that's going to be sufficient water now for these Oka, until the other couple get up to the surface. So should be fine. So that's it. We'll revisit when I don't know, probably when they're up here somewhere, and that's it. Hope you found the video of use. Any questions, just send them to me, I'll get back to you. Keep subscribing, and don't forget, click that reminder button, so you don't miss out on any new videos that I'm doing. But most of all, get in the garden, especially whilst it's nice and sunny, and see you all soon. Bye for now.